Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to share audio in Google Meet. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Google Meet and I'm going to show you how we can share audio. If you want to share audio, you need to use a new tab. So here, as you can see, I have a new tab. For example, I'm going to share audio from this YouTube video. Okay, I'm going to go back to my Google Meet and we can click on present now here. And okay, if you want to share audio, you need to choose Chrome tab. You can select tab here and then you can choose the tab that you want to share and make sure that this option is enabled. Also share tab audio. Okay, we can only share audio using the tab guys. Let me try to use this entire screen. As you can see, we got this information to share audio, share a tab instead. And let me try window. Okay, we cannot share the audio using window. So make sure you select this one, Chrome tab, and click on share. And then the audio will be shared automatically. Okay, shown by this icon, presentation audio. Make sure that this feature is enabled and I'm going to click on stop presenting. Okay guys, and that's all the way to share audio in Google Meet. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.